preparatory procedures of the nitroalkanes and nitroarenes, that is nitrobenzene, nitronaphthalene. So, like nitration, preparation of the nitroalkanes. See, for the preparation of the nitroalkanes, the first method is from alkanes. Preparation from alkanes, that procedure is called as the nitration. Nitration of alkanes. Nitration. Nitration is nothing but the introducing the NO2 group. The chemical process in which the hydrogen of an hydrocarbon is replaced with the NO2 group is called as the nitration. Here to carry out if you take the ethane, you can prepare that is one of the hydrogen can be replaced with the nitro group, nitroethane. This is the nitro group. We write it as the CH3, CH2, just NO2 nitro. See, what is the reagent required here? Nitrating agent of alkanes, that is concentrated nitric acid is used. At room temperature, there is no chemical reaction between the alkane and nitric acid. That is at room temperature RH alkane, concentrated HNO3 at room temperature, say the room temperature, no reaction at all. Why? The alkanes are chemically inert. They do not take part in the reaction. They resist to take part in the chemical reaction. Therefore, reaction is possible around 350 to 450 degrees Celsius. High temperature conditions are required. So that is, it to be treated, alkane to be treated with concentrated HNO3 or fuming nitric acid around 400 degrees Celsius, then reaction takes place, nitroalkane is formed, H2O. This is, if you write this as the OH, NO2, that is, this is eliminated and that nitroalkane is formed. Water is the byproduct of the reaction. This is called as the nitration. At this temperature, 400 degrees Celsius, this alkane exists in the gaseous state under reaction conditions. Nitric acid also exists in the gaseous state. Therefore, it is a gas phase reaction. That means, which is called as the gas phase reaction, the reaction in which the reactants and reagent exists in gaseous state at reaction conditions is called as the gas phase reaction. It's a free radical reaction. See, now the problem here is the procedure is very simple. Problem here is that this is nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. High temperature conditions are used. During this process, what happens? There is a possibility of the breaking of the CC bonds, carbon-carbon bonds. Due to the breaking of the CC bonds, what happens? That is, the fragmentation takes place. That is the disadvantage of this procedure. What happens if fragmentation takes place? The smaller nitroalkanes are formed. Let us see. This is, and methane resists to take part in this reaction, and yield is very small. If you take this concentrated HNO3 around high temperature conditions, I told you, high temperature condition 400 degrees Celsius, here nitroethane is formed. This is the nitration of the ethane. The second one is if you take the propane, which contains the 3 carbon atoms, and on treatment with the concentrated HNO3 nitration of propane under high temperature conditions, I told you that 400 degrees Celsius, that is what happens, several products are formed. See, nitration of the propane. Propane contains the 2 types of hydrogens, 1 nitropropane, primary nitropropane, 1 nitropropane. This is, and 2 nitropropane. So here this hydrogen is replaced. That's 2 nitropropane. So along with this, that is nitroethane is formed, and nitromethane also formed. 4 products are formed here. See, what is this? How the nitroethane is formed? So during this high temperature conditions, the breaking of the bonds takes place. CC bond breaking takes place. That is the disadvantage of the major disadvantage of this procedure. Therefore, if you need if you want to prepare the 1 nitropropane, this is the second 2 degree nitro compound. 1 nitropropane, exclusively it cannot be converted into the 1 nitropropane. It means 2 nitropropane is formed, nitroethane is formed, nitromethane is formed because of breaking of this one. See, the second thing is yield will be very less. The second thing is you are getting the mixture of the several nitro compounds. Mixture of the several nitro compounds. The separation is difficult. So that has to be separated. Therefore, see, this is the difficult procedure. So that is there is a preparatory procedure, but it is not the convenient procedure direct to this one. Now if you take the nitrobutane, as the number of carbon atoms in the chain increases, alkane increases, then what happens? That is the products are changing. Butane, that is 1 nitrobutane, primary 1 nitrobutane and 2 nitrobutane, nitropropane, nitroethane and that is the methane. All are possible. Bond can break here, bond can break here. Several products, as the length of the chain increases, the number of nitro compounds formed increases. Therefore, this is not a right method for the preparation of, that is your nitroalkanes. It is a procedure, but the yields are very poor. We are getting the mixture. Exclusively one product cannot be prepared by this method. It is a free radical reaction. High temperature reactions are the reactions which take place in the presence of the light are free radical reactions. And reaction that takes place under the high temperature conditions, that are pyrolytic reaction, they are also free radical reactions. The free radical mechanism is possible in the presence of the light, peroxide initiators, and the third one is the high temperature conditions. So this is the first one. The second one is this is from alkyl halide. From alkyl halides. This we know. Starting from the alkyl halides, we can prepare the nitroalkanes. It is a SN reaction, right? This is the SN reaction. Alkyl halides are famous for their characteristic reactions are nucleophilic substitution reaction through SN1 mechanism, SN2 mechanism, or SNI. So like that, there are several distinct alkyl halide. If you take the alkyl halide, this is the alkyl halide where the halogen is connected to the carbon CX bond. That is, it is converted into the halogen is replaced with the nitro group. Nitroalkane is formed. This is the SN reaction plus X minus ion. This is the NO2 minus is attacking on this and replacing, that is nitroalkane is formed. See here, what is the reagent that we used here? See, this is the here silver nitrite is used. AgO. This is silver nitrite. Silver nitrate, not nitrate. Nitrite is used. This is the source for the nitrite. NO2 minus ion. Not the nitrite ion. See, it is a nitro group is a ambient nucleophile, you know. This is the nucleophilic center, this is the nucleophilic center. Ambient nucleophile. Now, and here metal and silver bond is a covalent bond here. Metal and silver and oxygen bond is a more of covalent. The negative charge is not clearly defined on the oxygen. So it is not existing in the nitrate ion form, lone pair. So this is an oxygen is not readily available in the silver nitrite for the nucleophilic attack. So if this is attacking on this nitrogen. Nitrogen with a lone pair is attacking. So therefore what happens? Here the bond is formed between the carbon and the nitro group. Nitroalkane is formed as the major product. Alkyl nitrite is formed. See, if the nitrite ion is, this attacks on this, it attacks to the oxygen, therefore RON double bond O. Alkyl nitrite is formed. Nitritoalkane is nitroalkane. Here the nitrogen is attacked. Here nitroalkane is formed. There is a possibility of formation of the two, but if you take the word silver nitrite, the major product is the alkyl, nitroalkane is the major product. So if you take the potassium nitrate, you get the alkyl nitrite. See here, methyl bromide or chloride. Normally the bromide chlorides are, the bromides and iodides are more commonly used. The chlorides are carbon chlorine bond is stronger, bond reactivity is less. Therefore normally when you take the word alkyl halide for to carry out the reaction, that is this is used. That is the bromides or iodides are used. Bromides are more preferentially. If this is treated with the silver nitrite, then this attacks on this nitrite group, that is nitromethane is formed, plus silver bromide is the this one, and ethyl bromide, alkyl bromide. So you can take the chloride also, but the reactivity is less. Ci bond is more reactive than CBr bond. CBr bond is more reactive than CCl bond, carbon chlorine bond. This is treat with the silver nitrite pair. Nitro group is attacking on this through SN2 route. That is CH2NO2 is formed. N is the donor atom. N is the nitroethane is formed. So if you have the methane, right, instead of conducting the nitration, so first carry out the chlorination or bromination. Bromine, that is methyl bromide is formed. This on treatment with the concentrate, this is silver nitrite. Then what happens? Nitroalkane is formed. That is nitromethane is formed. See, this is a superior method than that one. That gives the mixture. Yields are very less. High temperature conditions. It is normally takes place at the room temperature or slightly warming the reaction takes place. The harsh conditions are not required. Specific alkyl nitroalkane is produced here. So anything that if you take this compound, that is isopropyl chloride or bromide or iodide, anything that is the AgNO2, that is here you get the 2-nitropropane isopropyl. 2-nitropropane is formed. See, anything you can take the any organic compound, that is cyclohexyl chloride or bromide or iodide, on treatment with the silver nitrite is the best reagent. So if you carry out that is the same thing with the potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrite, the Cl is replaced with that is the N double bond. Here, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide on treatment with the potassium nitrite, which contains the free nitrite ion where the negative charge is present on the oxygen. Now oxygen will attack on the carbon. Then you get the nitro group is connected. This is nitritoethane. Ethyl nitrite. Ethyl nitrite. This is a nitroethane. These two are the functional isomers. So silver nitrite is used to convert the alkyl halide into nitroalkane, and potassium nitrite is commonly used to convert the alkyl halide into nitritoalkane or alkyl nitrite. Alkyl nitrite and nitroalkane are the functional isomers. See, nitro group, nitrito group, both are functional groups. For our convenience of the IUPAC naming, they are taken as the substituents, but they are functional groups, remember. Nitro group is a functional group. Nitrito group is where the NO2 is connected through the oxygen. Nitrite is and functional group. They are the functional group without suffix. Only prefix is used for it. So this is the preparation procedure of that is nitro alkanes from alkyl halides. Next one is, third one is from amines. With the preparation from amines, primary amines, RNH2. Third one is the from amines, particularly 1 degree amines can be converted into nitro compounds by treating with the KMnO4 here, oxidation of 1 degree amines. This we discussed in the amines while discussing the properties of the amines, oxidation of amines. Primary amine. See, this is the primary, anything a primary amine or whatever it is, this is the RNH2 is the primary amine. So, in case of the amines, that is degree depends on the number of organic groups connected to the nitrogen, not what is the degree of the carbon to which nitrogen is attached. Here, what they do, that is by using the normally KMnO4, potassium permanganate, alkaline or acidified or other reagent can be used, that is trifluoroacetic acid plus hydrogen peroxide mixture. This is nothing but the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. That is the oxidizing agent. So this on treatment with the primary amine on treatment with the KMnO4. This is alkaline KMnO4, heat it. First it is converted into the OH. This is unstable, 2 OH groups. It is converted into the Rn double bond O by losing water. This further undergoes oxidation to produce the N double bond O. This is O, that is nitro compound. So first nitroso compound that undergoes the oxidation and give the nitro compound. That is this on treatment with the, that is hot and concentrated KMnO4 or trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Remember, trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, that is and peroxyacetic acid. This is converted to the nitro group. NH2 group is converted to the nitro group. Primary amine group is converted to nitro compound. It can be a primary or secondary or tertiary, whatever it is. Now here, let me take that is nitroethane. So, ethyl amine on treatment with the KMnO4, that is in the presence of acid and heat, or trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. This is converted into the CH3, CH2. This is nitro group is formed. Anything you can take the, so cyclohexanamine. This is under same conditions, it is converted into the its corresponding nitro compound. If you take that is nitro, that is the 2-amino, is a primary amine, 2-amino butane. This on treat oxidation. So under same conditions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is converted to the nitro compound. It is a primary amine. This is second. It is primary amine. Remember, this is secondary nitro compound. Since the concept is different for this and this, for this the degree is decided for the nitro compounds based on the carbon to which it is attached. Whereas this is decided based on the number of alkyl groups connected to the nitrogen. So that is from amines. So you take the aniline also. Aromatic primary amine, aniline. This on treatment with that trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. That is now it is converted into the nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is converted to the aniline when treated with the iron plus HCl. Aniline is formed. So followed by, that is sodium carbonate is added. That is the base. Because once it is converted to the amine, primary amine base, in the acid media, it is converted, it exists in the form of phenylenium hydrochloride. So to break that, sodium carbonate is added or any other base is added. So this is the, any amine, that is the primary amine can be converted into the, primary amine can be converted into its corresponding, that is the nitro compound. This is the preparation from primary amines. So nitroso compounds. So fourth one is from nitroso compounds. Nitroso compounds are unstable compounds. So that is the oxides can also be converted nitroso compound. The RNO. This on oxidation. How it is oxidized? You can use the hydrogen peroxide. You can use the any oxidizing agent KMnO4, that is heating. So this is converted into the nitroalkane. Ozone, hydrogen peroxide, all are converting the nitroso compounds into this. And similarly, the oxides on oxidation, that is aldoxymes or ketoxymes, that is oxide. This are, so this reaction, oxidation also produce the RCH2NO2. Right. So nitro compounds can also be converted. If you come to the aryl halides, so aryl nitroarenes, nitro aromatic compounds. So that we have already prepared benzene to nitrobenzene. Benzene to nitrobenzene. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Nitroarenes, that is NO2. This is SE reaction, or it is also called as a substitution aromatic. Aromatic substitution is this is second order reaction, SE2. SR, aromatic electrophilic substitution, or aromatic, just aromatic substitution. See here, when benzene is treated with the concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 mixture, which is known as the nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture, that is NO2 group is introduced into the benzene ring. This reaction is carried here. The electrophilic substitution reaction, SE reaction, substitution electrophilic second order reaction. NO2 is the attacking electrophile. Sulfuric acid is helping in the formation of the NO2 plus, increase the NO2 plus and fasten the reaction. Reaction is carried around 60 degrees Celsius. If the same reaction is carried at 90 degrees Celsius, majority cases, that is meta-dinitrobenzene is formed. Benzene to nitrobenzene. This is the case. You know the mechanism. This is providing the NO2 plus electrophile. Electrophile is the nitronium ion that attacks sigma complex, and that mechanism you know. I am not writing this one. Similarly, if you take that is naphthalene. Naphthalene. This is a naphthalene. It is an aromatic compound. These are nitration, concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. So what happens? Nitration takes place. The major one is the 1-nitro. This is the active place. 1-nitro, major. This is the major product. Small amount of that is the 2-nitropropane, 2-nitro naphthalene is formed. Naphthalene to 1-nitro naphthalene. Same electrophilic substitution reaction. NO2 is the in the concentrated HNO3 is the reactant. It is taken and it is promoting the formation of the NO2 plus and increasing the NO2 plus. Rate depends on the concentration of the electrophile. For electrophilic substitution reactions, rate is equal to, that is K into, that is substrate, that is the into electrophile, concentration of the electrophile. This is a second order reaction. So that is therefore this is protonating the nitric acid and helping the formation of NO2 plus. Therefore these are the few methods of preparation of the nitroalkanes and this. If you want to prepare that is the nitrobenzene. From benzene directly we can prepare the nitrobenzene. If you want to prepare the nitrobenzene, so you can prepare even from the aniline. So just now we have seen aniline on oxidation gives that NH2 group is converted into this. I told you the best reagent is the trifluoroacetic acid plus hydrogen peroxide, which is equivalent to the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. For this, the mixture of the trifluoroacetic acid and hydrogen peroxide is used. Right? So this is converted to the nitro form. So nitro. So from this to this is again, this to this is and iron plus HCl, followed by sodium carbonate treatment, gives the aniline. So aniline can be converted into this one. The second one, next one is the nitrosobenzene 2. Other way is the nitrosobenzene to nitrobenzene. See, when the benzene is treated with the NaO2 plus HCl, nitrosobenzene is formed, nitration. This nitrosobenzene on oxidation with what? That is KMnO4 or any oxidizing agent, hydrogen peroxide or anything, that is nitroso compound is oxidized to nitrobenzene. So these are the important methods of the preparation of the nitroalkanes.